As we discussed today our current trade, we previously entered a short position on Bitcoin yesterday during our live stream. The price was around 106k and I advised yesterday entering a trade around 108k. The price did reach 108.3k and I also entered the trade at 108k. If we check our strategy tab, you will see my active trade at 108k. At that time, I put an limit order which already filled after 2 hours, and you can see my trade well. And as I mentioned that our first target was 104k, so I partially exit my trade as well. I mentioned two target levels, 104k and 102k. Interestingly, the price has already reached 102.5k. However, this doesn't mean I can't go lower. For those who missed the initial trade of yesterday, they will have another opportunity to enter at the price is currently in a correction zone. Looking at the time frame, the candle where we entered the trade has a long wick, indicating a potential reversal. Our next target might be around 107k, but not exceeding that level. You can expect another opportunity to enter the trend around that price. We don't need to be perfectionist, because if you see the candle where we enter as our short trade in 4-hour time frame, this is a long wick red candle. So we have to consider this as well. So looking at the time frame, the candle where we entered yesterday, the trade has a long wick, indicating that it is another crucial resistance. So this time our resistance level will be 107k. Our first target has already been hit and now we are waiting for the second target at 102k. Additionally, we have another target at 101k. Our risk to reward ratio was 2.6 and this trade is still performing so well. I recommend following me for future live streams and ensure you have notifications enabled on the Binance app. I have also pinned the BTC coin so you can easily access it and trade directly from the live stream. As we review our trade, you can see that our call has been accurate so far. If you want to recap our previous trade, you can watch our previous live stream video. I had drawn a risk to reward ratio of 2.63 and our target was 104k, which was first one. I partially closed my trade but left some open. I hope we have also taken partial profits. If not, please review and try to understand our strategy. This will help improve your own trading skills. Now looking at the current price, our reward might extend further. We are targeting that previous low around 10k and our next target will be around 101k. This trade's risk to reward ratio has been even more attractive. However, I need to adjust the price as those who already have open trades will see an increased reward. Those entering the trade today will do so at a slightly lower price as 108k has become a resistance level. But the trade is still profitable, as I mentioned during our live stream yesterday. The break of structure is happening, which is why we are entering this trade. Again, you can enter the trade between 107k with first target at 104k, second target at 102k, and the another one is 101k. Our stop loss will now be at 109k. Yesterday it was 110k. If you have any questions regarding this trade, feel free to ask me in the chat and don't forget to follow me to get notifications of my future live streams.